Hello everyone, good evening. So as discussed, today we are going live with Miss Sonika. So she is going to discuss with us a very important part of entrepreneurship that is called as a social entrepreneurship, as she has founded one club called as a Moja Club, and she is going to discuss with us a very important things related with the club, and obviously some insights about Peach Blink Publishers. As you already know that we generally wait for our speaker to come on our online platform, so we will definitely wait so that we will come to know who are all online. So before that, let's wait for our guest to come today, and I just wanted to put some important facts in front of you that everybody knows nowadays. Pandemic has really getting worse day by day, and we never know today we are here and what about tomorrow. But let it be, today we are here. आज हमारे हाथ में है, कल अगर हमारे हाथ में नहीं रहेगा फिर भी आज तो हमारे हाथ में है. सो वी हैव टू बी वेरी हैप्पी दैट टुडे वी आर लिविंग. सो आई हैव सम मोटिवेशनल स्टफ्स विथ यू टू बी शेयर टुडे. जैसे आप लोगों ने बहुत बार अमिताभ बच्चन की आवाज़ में सुना होगा, बट मेरी आवाज़ में आप लोगों ने सुना नहीं है. सो कुछ पंक्तियाँ जो आप लोगों को थोड़ा सा मोटिवेट कर सकें, जैसे कि लहरों से डर कर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. As today's speaker is definitely in such a young age, that girl has achieved so much and she is literally doing a very good job. So जैसे एक पंक्तियों में कहा जाता है कि यस ऑब्वियसली हमें कोशिश करनी चाहिए हर टाइम, तो उन्होंने जो कोशिश की है वो आज हम यहाँ पे ज़रूर डिस्कस करने वाले. इसके बाद और भी कुछ पंक्तियाँ मेरे मन में हैं आज, लाइक मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है. पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. सो सच काइंड ऑफ things literally motivate us in all the sense. So we have to keep ourselves motivated, we have to keep ourselves inspired, and very much important, our health is very important, so we have to keep ourselves hydrated. So all the time you people have to drink water, and as you know that water is a very important part of our life, you people also have to inculcate good thoughts, because thoughts are also very important for our mind and body. So when you are thinking good, definitely will happen good. If you are not thinking good, it will not happen good. So thoughts are also very important, so you people have to focus on thoughts also. So thinking about a good thought is definitely going to help you in this kind of a pandemic. So I'll just check it out how many people are online, and I hope if Sonika has joined, then I request Sonika to please send some chat box comments on a chat box so that I can add you for a live session. Sonika, and I request you to please join through mobile phone. Okay, she is there. So I'm just adding her. तो जैसे मैंने अभी कहा, लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, कोशिश करने वालों की कभी हार नहीं होती. कोशिश करने वाले बहुत लोग हमारे जिंदगी में हैं, और हम ऐसे ही लोगों को ऐड करके आपको एंटरटेन करते रहेंगे, so that you people will definitely feel motivated all the time. So here is our speaker for the day. I hope I'm audible, Sonika.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. You're
Am I
perfectly
audible?
audible. Good
Okay,
evening,
okay. Thank
everyone.
you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening and welcome to Founder Speaks.
My
आपके बारे
pleasure.
में एक आपके बारे में एक पंक्तियां हमने बोली थी अभी, तो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू रिपीट इट. मंजिलें उन्हीं को मिलती है जिनके सपनों में जान होती है, पंखों से कुछ नहीं होता, हौसलों से उड़ान होती है. So whatever the inspiration at a young age you people are giving us, that definitely it's for me also, it's for our viewers also, it's commendable. That has already been posted, that you have started with one of a social entrepreneurship club, then also you are editor in chief in Peach Blink Publishers, and you already completed your graduation only, and now you must be completing your post graduation that we are going to discuss into the coming our discussion. But yes, it is really commendable
Yes.
that you people are thinking nowadays in a good concepts you people are thinking, and you are diverting the attention of other people in a good way. So first of all, thanks a lot. and definitely we welcome such kind of personalities on a Founder Speaks. So welcome from Founder Speaks. So now people are online. So as already committed, it's 7:29. We should start.
Yes, definitely, sir. On time is the commitment that we adhere to.
Yeah. So generally, we are having some set of question, which is a fixed set of questions we generally ask to our invitees. So without wasting a time,
Okay.
we'll start with the first question that we came to know that
Okay.
about some Moja Club and all. So we have just heard about it. So we would like to hear the story about behind it and a little bit introduction from your side about yourself.
Okay. So, introducing myself, I am Sonika Singh, and as it was introduced before that, I am the founder of Moza Club and I'm the editor-in-chief working at Peach Blink. So, how we came up with Moza Club? So, the idea of coming up with Moza Club is a bit personal to me. Like, मेरे ego का personal issue है वो. So, the thing is that since you have guided us throughout our undergraduation journey. So you know that in our second year, I got in touch with the help of Nikita with a group of a renowned university who were planning to publish an anthology of collective authors. So
Okay.
yeah, so we were very excited. We did everything. We submitted our finances. We gave our fees and everything. But end moment पे हमें ये बोल दिया गया कि no, you cannot be added as a part of anthology because you're not the part of university. So it was
Oh,
like an ego clash a bit, and there it came कि हम क्यों नहीं खुद को अपना एक प्लेटफॉर्म दे सकते हैं और ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म क्यों नहीं दे सकते जो कोई बैरियर ना प्रोवाइड करे, जिसके लिए कोई बैरियर ना हो, ना एज, ना सेक्स, ना ना डिस्ट्रिक्ट, ना रूरल एरिया, ना अर्बन एरिया. 8 साल के बच्चे से लेके 60 साल के बड़े तक हमारे ग्रुप के पार्ट हैं. एंड जो हमने हार्बिंजर ऑफ होप जो एंथोलॉजी लिखी, उसके पीछे भी यही एक रीजन था कि एंथोलॉजी उन लोगों के लिए लिखना था जिनको प्लेटफॉर्म नहीं मिलता है, जिनको बैरियर्स फेस करने पड़ते हैं. सो दिस मोजा इज अ क्लब विच इज अ क्लब ऑफ रीडर्स एंड राइटर्स एंड इज ओपन फॉर ऑल एंड इज अ प्लेस वेयर मिरेकल्स आर क्रिएटेड. The members themselves create their own miracles. So this is the story behind Musa. So yes, and Musa
okay.
is an Arabic term जिसका मतलब है miracles. So that's it.
ओके. लास्ट टाइम हमारे यहाँ पे इंग्लिश आचार्य करके ओनर आए थे. सो द नेम इंग्लिश आचार्य वाज लिटरली fascinating to everybody. Now Musa Club
Yes,
name is also fascinating to everybody. So I have some
yes,
curiosity angle, one question. All the
yes.
whatever the contents you people write or you people allow us to write, whether it is in all the languages or only English language will be allowed.
All the languages.
That
All the
all
languages.
the language. Okay. And what is your
Yes,
role in
yes,
Peach
yes.
Blink Publishers? What is your role in Peach Blink Publishers?
Editor-in-chief, as you must have come across that we recently published this book Harbinger of Hope,
Yeah.
which is a collection
Okay.
of all the members of Musa Club only. So it is an English anthology. This part was English anthology. फिर हिंदी आएगा, फिर जो भी other languages आएंगे. But इसको surpass करना, proofread करना, and the articles that they submit and giving it a green signal कि it is worth it to get published under the name of Peach Blink is what I do overall under the house
Very
of
good.
Peach Blink.
At such a young age, you people are literally doing a very good work. So best of luck to everybody. And I hope that
Yes,
people,
yes.
those who are online, so definitely Harbinger of Hope is available on Kindle also. So I request everybody to please go to Amazon. I know that Radhe is also released. So you people must be watching Radhe. So definitely, I hope that you people should read Harbinger of Hope, which is available on Amazon Kindle. And I hope you will get that copy from Amazon Kindle. Now, coming towards the next question for the interview,
Yes,
right? I hope I'm
yes,
audible and the connection is clear. Okay.
yes.
The interruption. So, what is your definition of success? How you define success? Now you have completed your undergraduate, so you must be having some idea about in your mind कि क्या success क्या होता है? What is your idea about success in your mind? Yes,
यस
please.
यस यस सो जब भी जब भी मैंने और निकिता ने स्टार्टिंग में व्हेन वी गेव इट अ स्टार्ट सो इट वाज ऑलवेज लाइक कि कुछ तो पैसा आना चाहिए यार, कुछ तो होना चाहिए, रेवेन्यू जनरेशन या जो भी है। बट ग्रेजुअली व्हेन वी अंडरस्टूड कि जब हमें सेटिस्फैक्शन मिलता है, जब हमारे कस्टमर सेटिस्फाई होते हैं, जब कस्टमर्स हैप्पी होते हैं, जो हमारे मेंबर्स होते हैं, तो वो हमें हैप्पी करता है। More than any money, more than any revenue, what makes us feel successful is our customers. And this matlab Nikita made me realize कि it is more important to make our members and make our customers happy, and that will be counted as our success irrespective of the revenue generation.
Okay, I just wanted to give you one compliment because I am having 10 years of experience in academics and research. But now आपसे बात करते हुए मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि you are just an undergraduate, है ना? जब आप फर्स्ट ईयर में आए थे तो ऐसे लग रहा था कि हाँ यार ये सब बच्चे हैं क्या करेंगे, है ना? बट नाउ यू आर कंप्लीटेड योर अंडर ग्रेजुएट कोर्स एंड लिटरली क्या बोल सकते हैं कि रिस्पॉन्सिबल ह्यूमन बीइंग के जैसे आप लोग मतलब यू पीपल आर बिहेविंग ऑल्सो. So that literally we are very much satisfied about this, and definitely I think I am fortunate that I am having a student like you. So that is the
Yes, sir,
compliment from my side.
it was under your guidance only. आपका गाइडेंस था तो ही हम यहाँ तक पहुंचे, एंड इट वाज नॉट मी अलोन. निकिता हैज ऑलवेज बीन लाइक the backbone every time, and she has been the ideator, like you are the ideator of Founders Speak. She has been the ideator behind it all, and I have been with her, and it's like together we go, together we do. It's just like that.
Yeah, we thought that day, why not we can call Nikita also and you also on the same platform. So we had discussion that day,
Yes,
but I
yes,
thought
yes.
we should have a different session with you and we can go for that Moja Club. So people will also come to know what exactly this club is all about, and people should aware about this particular club.
Yes,
Okay, so moving towards next question. Uh, what is your
yes.
favorite book? What is your favorite book? Or do you read book or
Okay,
you don't
okay,
read
so
book
this is
or you
not
only write book or you only
yes.
do proofreading? Yes,
No,
yes,
I
please.
do read book, and my personal favorite is The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini. I have one per
Okay.
favorite, which is The Kite Runner by Khaled Hosseini.
Any specific reason behind it so that people will come to
Uh,
know?
yes, yes. So I read it way back when I was in my class 12th, I guess. And उस time पे कैसा रहता है, we were not given access to social media or anything like that. So the only access that we had was books and books. So it was either fiction or theoretical. So reading, going through that book, it gave me the true, it taught me the true value of friendship. At the same time, how you hang through that rope of friendship, redemption, guilt, and how you overcome it, and how can you do your part of redemption, how can you overcome your part of guilt in a beautiful way. So it just showcases in a dark way, in a deep way, that every person has that ray of hope deep down inside them.
Okay, okay. We got to know about it. Okay, and now moving next. आप movies वगैरह भी देखते होंगे, right? Obviously.
हाँ हाँ
So,
हाँ.
ऐसा you have to share with us one of a movie which has changed your life or one of a movie which motivates you all the time. Any movie,
Okay,
if you
okay, okay.
could
So
remind.
हाँ, I am more of a Bollywood person, and I am SRK fan. So Kal Ho Na Ho is my favorite because all the while it is happy, 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 happy. किसी को पता भी नहीं चलता है कि उसके लाइफ में कितना दुख है, कितना दर्द है, and yet last breath तक भी he outshines everyone. So that way it motivates me, and it's a beautiful movie, I think.
Okay. Okay. So generally with this small question, we just wanted to understand कि people generally fight everywhere कि यहाँ life है वहाँ life है, but I just wanted to मतलब through this particular platform we just wanted to tell everybody that कि यहाँ वहाँ life नहीं है, life हमारे आजू बाजू है. कल होना हो देखो थोड़ा खुश हो
Yes,
जाओ. म्यूजिक भी सुनाई दिया तो थोड़ा अच्छा
yes,
लगता है. We feel cool, we feel calm, है ना? And in this
yes,
pandemic which
yes,
is very necessary. है ना? टू टाइम का अच्छे से.
yes.
अभी तो आम का सीजन चल रहा है तो यू पीपल शुड ईट
हाँ,
आम. बाहर मत जाओ, घर पे रहो. है ना, ऑनलाइन है,
हाँ
ऐसे फाउंडर स्पीक जैसे प्रोग्राम देखो, मोटिवेट हो जाओ. दैट इज व्हाट वी यूजुअली टेल
हाँ.
टू द पीपल, but people are not
Yes.
listening, they just wanted to go out. Let it be. Now we'll move
Yes.
towards the next question. Next and very
Yes.
important question. Now everybody is having some
Yes.
idol in their life. So who you think that is idol in your life?
Okay, so I have bachpan say because as you know that I am a Kathak dancer and I have been learning Kathak since I from my first standard, I guess. Yeah, first standard say. So under the guidance of Pandit Birju Maharaj. So whenever he used to teach and he used to give us कि कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. So it used to be एक एक चीज उनसे radiate होता था कि discipline and consistency should always be there. सो कंसिस्टेंसी तो है, डिसिप्लिन भी है, तो ये चीज तो आई है एंड इट वाज नॉट जस्ट विद डांस. It has been reflected in each and every aspect, and yeah, I hope that my future self becomes my idol.
Okay,
I
good.
hope.
So, is there anything? Yeah, now you already discussed something about the Moja Club. So, if you wanted
Yes.
to tell people about Moja Club, so would you like to go for it? So, any 4 or 5 liners detailing about the Moja Club, so that viewers will understand in a detail
Yes, yes,
how to
definitely.
approach you,
So
how to approach you. Is there any website available? Is there any contact number available? How to approach you to go
yes.
for club as such? Please, yeah.
Yes, 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 definitely. So Musa is a club of readers and writers which is open for all, irrespective of all barriers, and it is a place where miracles are created. And Musa is an initiative of Peach Blink, which is a publishing and content development company. So if you want to be a part of Musa Club, you can either approach them on Facebook, on Instagram, or Peach Blink ka website. Peach Blink has its own website, and Musa has its own segment under the website of Peach Blink. So from there, you can contact us. From Instagram, you can contact us. From Facebook, you can contact us. From LinkedIn, everywhere. You go there, open a profile, and we will be there.
ओके, तो आप अपना मार्केटिंग स्टार्ट करें तो मैं मेरा भी थोड़ा कर लेता हूँ. सो एवरीबडी प्लीज विजिट आवर
बिल्कुल.
फाउंडर स्पीक्स फेसबुक पेज, फाउंडर स्पीक्स इंस्टाग्राम पेज एंड फाउंडर स्पीक यूट्यूब channel, so that you people can check all the videos which are uploaded on our different types of social media channel, and please follow it and share it in your network. Okay, now going forward to the coming question, very I have some set of questions, so I usually read that questions. कहीं एक ना रह जाए तो इसलिए I usually read that question. Now, very important part of the this particular session. What do you think about the concept of founder speaks, or what you would like to suggest us?
Okay, so concept of founder speak. Okay, ठीक है. तो I'll just say that whenever we see that a CEO or a founder or an entrepreneur is giving a speech or has been called to TEDx and everything like that, so the person has already attained that peak. तब जाके उसकी
Speak,
पहचान
right,
होती है. But Founder Speak is
right,
that one platform which is giving a chance to people like us, to organizations like us, जिनको जिनको चाहिए ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे हम अपने प्लेटफॉर्म को जाहिर कर सके, एक्सप्रेस कर सके एंड बता सके कि टेडेक्स के अलावा भी चीजें हैं. टेडेक्स देखो बट हम भी हैं. So
okay,
that
good,
is
good,
really
thank you.
nice
So
about
we are
Founder Speak. It's really nice.
okay, so
You're not you're
thank
not
you, thank you.
normal like streamline. It's nice.
Right. So now we are also working on our YouTube channel to get developed, so that people should definitely
Okay.
stream some all the videos on YouTube also, so that people will know idea ki what
Mm-hmm.
exactly the founder speak, what kind of people are coming to the founder speaks, and definitely coming future we would definitely would like to visit Peach Blink Publishers, where we will come there and we will have an interview, that is a physical interview we can have, so that this could be a now 15-20 minutes interviews we are taking, so that's why people can see that interview on an Instagram reel, or people can see that interviews on Instagram post, so that these small videos will help the people to look at to that particular videos, and they can serve the content from that particular videos. So I just wanted to thank
Yes.
you, Sonika, for coming to our platform. I definitely would like to wish you from a Founder Speaks family that best of luck for your club also. And you should open so many, you should have a so many people network all over the India, and out of India also people should follow your club. So best of luck for that, and best of luck to Peach Blink Publishers also. I hope Nikita is online. So Nikita, best of luck to your hard work, and
She will
she
be.
is already doing, yeah, and she is
Yes.
also already doing some hard work at Peach Big Publishers. So best of luck to both of you. That definitely within next 5 to 10 years, we can see that one of the best publication in India.
Thank you so much. It was an honor to be a part of Founders Speak. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sonika. Thank you, all the viewers. I request everybody to please follow, please subscribe our YouTube channel, then our Instagram, and then our Facebook channel. Thank you, all of you. Thank you. And one more thing, I forget to wish you all of you happy Eid to everybody and happy Akshay Tritiya. I just
Yes,
forget.
happy
Let
Akshay
me,
Tritiya. Even I forgot.
yeah, thank you. Yes, yes, Sonika, happy Eid to you also. And all the viewers, happy Eid everybody. Happy Akshay Tritiya. Thank you, all of you. Now you people can see this video on all the platforms. So whenever you will get a time, you can come back to our platform and you can see the video. Thank you, all of you. Thank you, Sonika. Thank you.
Thank you so much.